Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to reply to a message from shared documents on WhatsApp Web using your PC. If you've recently noticed a new update on WhatsApp Web and are wondering how this feature works, you're in the right place. Let's go through it step by step so you can start using it right away. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, just scan the QR code from your mobile app and your chats will instantly load on the screen. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a small media or attachment symbol. This icon gives you access to all the shared media in your chats, including photos, videos, links, and documents. Next, select Docs. This tab lists all the documents that have been shared across your chats. It's incredibly convenient if you work with files often or receive frequent attachments from colleagues or clients. Find the document you want to reply to, then right-click on it. When you do this, a new set of options will appear. From the list, choose Reply. This feature lets you respond to a specific document directly, keeping your messages organized and relevant to the file being discussed. Now, type your message in the reply box. You can write your thoughts, add context, or share feedback about the document. Once your message is ready, click Send, and that's it. Your reply will be attached directly to the document message, making it super easy for everyone in the chat to follow the conversation. This small but powerful addition in the new update helps improve communication and keeps document-related discussions neat and connected. Thanks for watching.